Hello children, welcome to grade 3 English. Today we are going to revise the grammar part conjunction. Children, let's see about conjunction. You have already known about conjunctions. Conjunction are words which join words or group of words together. Let's look some conjunction. And, or, but, because, so, if, though are conjunctions. Children, today we are going to do our book exercise. Look at the first one. Replace the underlined conjunction with a suitable one. I woke up, so the alarm rang. Children, here the underlined word so. I woke up, so the alarm rang is the wrong answer. Replace. I woke up after the alarm rang. Okay. I woke up after. The answer is after. Okay. I woke up after the alarm rang. Let's redo the second one. True or false? Because is a conjunction. Children, tell me, because is a conjunction is true or false? Yeah, very good. It's true. It's true. Okay. Children, you have given the correct answer, so you take the bike and go to 4. Yeah, you're 4. Now, tell me, fill in the blanks with either before or after. Mother has asked me to return home as the sun sets. Mother has asked me to return home before sunset or after sunset? Before sunset. Before sunset. Okay. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before sunset. Now we go to the fifth one. Where's the fifth one? Yeah, it's here. So is used to show result. It's true or false? So used to show result. Yeah, very good. It's true. Okay, so is used to show result. Because is used to show reason. Okay, so it's true. The answer is true. We go to the next question. Choose the correct conjunction. Radha was not feeling well. Radha was not feeling well das last evening. Since last evening or for last evening? Radha was not feeling well since last evening. So the answer is since. Shall we go to the seventh one? Yeah, it's seventh. True or false? Or is used when there are two choices. Children, tell me, or is used when there are two choices. It's true. Yeah, very good. It's true. Right here, true. T-R-U-E, true. Okay. Let's go to the eighth one. Where is the eighth one? Seventh one after, eighth one here. Yeah, now you can take car and go to 9. Yeah, now we reached 9. Choose the correct conjunction. We reached the station as the train had left. We reached the station after the train had left. After. A-F-T-E-R. After. Okay. Ninth after 10th. Underline the conjunction in the following sentence. Shyam like green vegetables, but Hamid like junk food. What is the conjunction in this sentence? But, B-U-T, but is a conjunction. Okay. Then 10 after 11. Fill in the blanks with a suitable conjunction. He was weak, dash he could not run fast. He was weak, so result. Okay, weak, so he could not run fast. Okay, so the answer is so. 11th after 12th. Now combine the following sentence using a suitable conjunction. Shelly was happy. She got a new dress. Combine the following sentence using a suitable conjunction. Shelly was happy because she got a new dress. Shall we write here? Shelly was happy, 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 because, Because, because she got a new dress. Okay. Okay, children. I hope you have understood. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching.